Good morning. I'm Manik, the CEO and founder of Vulcan AI.
Hi, this is Adeline, Director of Workplace Safety and Health Institute, Occupational Safety and Health Division, Ministry of Manpower.
So today we will be discussing our experiences with the OIP program, especially with respect to the slip, trip, fall prevention and detection challenge. So Adeline, what prompted MOM to launch the STF challenge?
Our data shows that STF injuries is actually a common workplace injury and can happen across industries to anyone and anywhere. So if there was a technology that is able to auto-detect an STF accident so that supervisors can render help promptly, that can save lives, even prevent a life-altering injury. Then we went one step further. What if the technology is able to detect near misses? Which comes with it the hazards. So with that hazard identification, early intervention can be done to remove that hazard to prevent a future actual accident from happening.
So Adeline, what brought you to the OIP and how did the collaboration start?
The problem statement was actually hosted under the OIP platform, which actually helped to match problem statement owners like ourselves with solution providers out there. In fact, the OIP platform helped us to flesh out our problem statements clearly for the technology solution providers to work on. Through the OIP platform, we received a lot of proposals and we worked together with IMDA and BCA to shortlist, and eventually Vulcan AI became the winner of the challenge.
When we came across the STF challenge, we thought it was so meaningful that you could use tech to actually save lives. And we also figured out that actually our tech which we built, the AI using wearables, is something which can really address the problem.
So Manik, what was Vulcan's approach to solving the problem statement?
So when we looked at this problem statement, we realized that there were two main parts to it. One was, if a person has a slip, trip, fall, can we detect and alert somebody? Our brainwave was, can we use a wearable which has an accelerometer and can capture hand motion data, use that to detect when a person has a near miss or a fall. So just like a Fitbit uses the hand motion data to detect whether you're exercising or not, we thought we can use an AI for that. So the advantage of that is, you put it on your wrist, it means like the safety is on your wrist, and wherever you go, whether there is CCTV or not, you're still kept safe. The second part was hazard detection. So in a mall or in office spaces, sometimes people can spill liquids, and then if you don't mop it up or clean it up, you can slip on it and fall. So we developed an AI to actually use the cameras and detect these liquid spills so that we can then alert the FM staff to clean it up and prevent accident.
How would you rate the success of this OIP challenge?
So Adeline, I would give it a 10 out of a 10. From the very beginning, our mission was aligned. Both parties wanted to make Singapore one of the safest workplaces in the world. We came from a tech perspective and you came from a sort of a mission perspective. And I'm also quite excited about the future, because I think working with you, we are also getting access to a lot of early clients and early adopters who are very interested in the WorkSafe technology and are being WorkSafe pioneers in Singapore.
Actually, we were very pleasantly surprised that companies as well as technology solution providers are actually more ready than before to work on workplace safety and health issues. So with this COVID-19 pandemic, workplace safety and health becomes so important to enable a company to continue its operations and to give it a competitive advantage.
Based on the success of the STF solution as part of the OIP program, we are now going to add some more features like fatigue detection, fall from height, struck by moving objects, and we are taking feedback now from other sectors to enhance the solution. We're also seeing how we can extend it to other markets. So we are starting collaboration in Indonesia to offer it to oil and gas and mining companies. OIP platform basically gave us a very good opportunity to conceptualize a solution in Singapore, test it out in Singapore, but actually offers us the opportunity and the confidence to really scale it globally. We're very excited about the future. And that's all the questions we have today.
Hope you've enjoyed our conversation on the IMDA OIP program. Stay safe and take care.